Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am showing some activities based on Ganesh festival theme. It's a late post but still thought to share some ideas with you since there are few days left for Ganesh Visarjan. Ganesh Chaturthi is every Indian kid favorite festival who actively take part in making the Ganesh idol with those little hands or eating laddus. So I wish everyone a belated Ganesh Chaturthi. Let's get into the activities. In first activity, I have taken a cardboard onto which I pasted a white sheet. On the white sheet, I have written the festival wishes, that is Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. On the letters part, I made some small circles. What the kids has to do, with the help of a Q-tip or a earbud, they need to paint the circles. Here I have chosen the traditional colors like turmeric, kumkum and sandalwood. You can make use of your choice of colors. It is a kind of fine motor exercises which helps in developing the finger grip. There is no fixed way to do this activity. The kids can explore in whatever they want to do. This activity helps in developing the pincer grip. There is so much fun in this type of activities and we can engage kids for up to half an hour in these type of activities. In second activity, I have taken a white paper and on which I have drawn Ganesh idol on top and two tracing lines which leads to his favorite foods, that is laddus, modaks and fruits. The kids need to guide Ganesha to his favorite foods either by following the tracing lines or simply drawing their own lines. I purposely left so much space on this paper so the kids can scribble around. We need to guide them. They should start at Ganesh idol and end at his favorite foods. In next activity 2, I have taken a white paper and on which I have drawn rat or mice on one side and on the opposite side I have drawn laddus or modaks. Kids need to guide rats or mice to his favorite foods by either drawing standing lines, sleeping line or slanting lines. To make this activity reusable, I have used laminating sheets and dry erase marker. These are kind of pre-writing exercises. In next activity is next level or advanced level of writing exercises where I have drawn a maze. The task is guide elephant to bananas through the numbers. This best suits for 4-year kids, but I wanted to try this activity with my kid because he is fond of elephants and bananas. I purposely kept this paper small so they need to scribble within the paper. The next activity is about counting where I have taken two styrofoam plates and I made laddus with play-doh. I'm gonna put some laddus in each plate. The kids need to count the laddus and place the number. This can be played vice versa, that is we can place the number and the kids can put the laddus. I even traced the numbers on the styrofoam sheet. It gives some embossed or texture like appearance. The kids can trace the number on the styrofoam sheets. As I always say in my videos, kids do learn at their own pace. We need to guide them or encourage them. There is no need to rush or force them. Next activity is about quantities where I have taken a cardboard and white paper and I have written more and less by making two sections on the white paper. I made some modaks with color papers. This can be played as a game where kid needs to put modak on one side and we need to put corresponding number of modaks on the other side. Like if kids chooses to put modaks on more side, we need to put less number of modak on the other sides. While doing this activity, we can teach the importance of Ganesha festival to the kids. The next activity is all about the Ganesh festival, like how it is celebrated, why it is celebrated. I have used cardboard, color sheets and velcro strips to make this activity. I made two circles of cardboard sheet with 20 cm diameter and covered them with orange and pink color sheets. On one circle I made 8 equal portions and I made a hole in the center part of the circle. With the help of a cardboard and a bamboo, I made a small piece like this which helps in spinning the circle. It looks like a spinning wheel And on the other part of the circle, I have removed one of the 8 portions. And it looks like this. And in the 8 portion of the circles, I have written information regarding Ganesh festival, like it is an Indian festival celebrated in Bhadrapada Masam, and Lord Ganesha is a son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. His favorite food is modak or laddus. Ganesha is also known as Mushika Vahana or Pradam Puj. This idea was originally taken from other YouTube channel, that is Growing Up With You. I've given link in the description box. I've drawn Ganesh idol on a yellow color sheet and pasted it onto a cardboard sheet, and I made them into small cutout pieces separating the head, face, ears of Ganesha. With the help of a Velcro strip, we can place the different parts of Ganesha onto the sheet. While doing this, we can tell the importance of each part of Ganesha. Well, this activity looks to be difficult, but it is very easy to be done. When we don't have any Velcro strip, we can even ask the kids to directly place them onto the sheet with the help of a glue. And now this part of the circle has to be placed on the lower part with the help of a glue gun. I have used a double-sided tape so that it can be easily removed and placed. I recommend you to use a glue gun because by using the double-sided tape, it was not fixed properly. Since my kid is small, I wanted it to be like this, like it can be easily removed and placed again. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and give a like button. 4 number పెట్టు. 4 ప్లేట్ లోపల పెట్టు. 4 laddus. Good job. 3 number పెట్టు. Good job. 2 laddus.